Now it is time to complete our sign up process. Get your API key and download the module. So you can able to start reselling process. Being a partner, we always value, and our personal representative will always help you. When comes to the sign up process, if you are Indian based business and wanted to partners and do a business in rupees or INR, so you can join our partnership program from Domain Resell. So you can able to get the benefit of GST claim, whereas for all other partners, you can directly join Dedicated Core. Since you are a global partner, we are creating this video series specially on Dedicated Core. As a global partner, we would like to welcome you on Dedicated Core. This is a very simple process. Likewise, other competitors are making you complicated, but with Dedicated Core, you can able to integrate a platform in max to max 5 to 7 minutes. And in a very short period of time, you can able to start selling VPS, dedicated servers, cloud servers, and even if other services like storage VPS, Forex VPS, and cPanel VPSs. Let's do the sign up process. Enroll. Here, simply complete your registration process. In case you wanted to change your currency from USD to Euro and Pound, you can able to contact our support. They will help you after this sign up process. Right now we are sign upping with Reseller Partnership Program. I completed my registration process. Scroll down, click on this and complete. You can see that our order number has been generated. In next 20 to 30 minutes, your API key will get generated. I can see that my API has been approved. Now we will get our API details and download the module. This is our API key product page. Here all the instructions has been given very carefully. If you want a video guide, here is a link. You can able to click and watch the videos. To access the API key, you can able to click on this. Just scroll down and here you will find all the details which required to configure our partnership program in your WHMCS. First one is API key. Second one is secret key. Please make sure that these two keys are very important. In case you would like to change your key, just contact us. We will change the secret key because API key is not required to change. You can able to change your secret key anytime. For that, just open a ticket. We will do that. And here you can able to see the download module. Simply click on this, download. And for the installation guide, you can able to click on this. Timely basis, we will update this information. This is the step-by-step guide to install. Also, we have a video series you can able to watch from this. So this video series is must watch. It includes all information about our partnership and how you can able to grow and what benefits we can able to offer you. So this way we can able to create a win-win situation to grow your business. So now you have your required information to set up partnership program.